What's up, y'all? Today I'm just trying to figure out something cute to do with my hair, some type of hairstyle. And I was just scrolling through CVS and I saw this Twisted Sisters leave-in conditioner. Completely bought it because of the picture. I love art, that's why I bought it. And it looked like it's thick. So let's see. Oh yeah, y'all see that? This is like a thick, creamy leave-in. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is go down to one product. Basically, that's what I'm using. When I refresh my hair from this type of state, I just want to put some water, oil, and leave-in in, or water, oil, and a curl cream in. Not a leave-in and a curl cream. Because the curl cream and the leave-in kind of does the same thing for my hair. So I feel like I only need to use one then. Brushed it. This is what I'm rocking with now. And I put a little bun up here. But anyway, now I need to find another way to wear it. Like and subscribe below. Can't lie. I think I like this shape. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just put this in one big twist and just define the rest of the hair. Let's start with wetting the hair. It's just like 1,000 times easier to work with if your hair is wet or damp. And I'm still feeling a lot of oils in my hair from just keeping it moisturized, so I don't have to add any more oil. Feels pretty good. Put some of the Twisted Sister leave-in. It smells great. It's super buttery. Like it glides on my hair easy. Feel like it's added a lot of moisture, so let's just twist this section up. I'm gonna put some of this Eco Natural Cocktail. I found this like a week ago, and it is made my hair really shiny. It's a really good hold. It seems like a great product for a twist out. So now I'm just wetting my hair enough so that the product will take. And it still feels pretty oiled from oils I've been adding to it the past few days, so I don't think I need any more oil. So once you get your hair at a good level of wet, gonna, wait a minute, I thought we looked alike. We don't. Still got that creamy consistency. And to refresh my curls and to do a wash and go, I do large sections, about 4 sections in my hair, and I rub the leave-in or the cream in like this. This is like really getting it in there. I think I like it. Feel like I have enough of that in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my gel, soft olive oil styling gel. And for the longest I thought I was using Eco Styler, but I'm not. Then I tried Eco Styler and I liked the soft better. So again, I just put a and apply it the same way you applied the leave-in. And these two products feel so slippery together. That's a good thing. Like, it's my first time using the Twisted Sister leave-in. And I actually think I could use a little less because my hair is like super coated. Super coated. This is what we started with. all done. I'm gonna let this air dry a while.